First of all, very good morning to all of you, to Sanjanhvi Skill Development Center. And Sanjanhvi Skill Development Center is going to organize a one-day workshop. So it's coming very soon and it's located in Salem, Tamil Nadu. Let this Sanjanhvi Skill Development Center, we, the team of Sanjanhvi Skill Development Center located in Salem, Tamil Nadu, wishes you all a very happy Gokulashtami or Janmashtami or Krishna Jayanti on 26th of August 2024. Today, the whole India is celebrating Gokulashtami. In North India, it is celebrated as Janmashtami, and in many places, it is also called as Krishna Jayanti. So, Sanjanhvi Skill Development Center, which is located in Salem, Tamil Nadu, is welcoming you all. Welcoming you all in the sense that all school students, college students, dropouts and even elders. So for what I am welcoming you all? I am welcoming you all for one day workshop which I am going to organize on two-wheeler servicing. It will be conducted on 1st of September 2024, which is Sunday. I feel that everybody is available for you all also. From your job you will be free and there will be you can say basic purpose of learning something which is going to be useful for all of you forever. I am telling you, forever. So the timing of that particular workshop will be from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. It will be just like a picnic, gentlemen. Yes, of course, it will be learning with fun. Yes, learning with fun. So the venue will be, it is in Alagapuram Pudur, Periya Pudur, Tirupati Nagar, Salem. So it is just back side of Sarda College. Sarda College is famous in Salem. So anybody can ask for Sarda College. So it is just back side of Sarda College, around 2 kilometers away from Sarda College. You will be getting buses, and buses will not be there up to the place of this particular location. Yes, auto will be available from the main road where Sarda College is located. The landmark is Putra Gaundar Kalyan Mandapam. There is a very big Putra Gaundar Kalyan Mandapam is there. Near to that Kalyan Mandapam, everybody has to come, and then the center is very nearby, located at walkable distance, within 200 meters of this Putra Gaundar Kalyan Mandapam. Yes, the fee will be rupees 500, and in this fee we will be providing working lunch and tea and snacks both in the morning and in the evening. Registration link is also mentioned, and in this registration link all have to register after payment of fees. Fees can be paid by using this GPay number. In that same number the participants can contact me also in case of any doubt, and transaction ID has to be mentioned so that I can come to know that how many students are coming. Accordingly, I have to make arrangements for other things also. Okay? So we welcome you all. When we say that we welcome school students, college students, dropouts, elders, yes, we talk about elders also. Why we talk about elders? Because nowadays everybody is utilizing vehicle. Everybody is utilizing vehicle, though nowadays electric vehicle has come into action. But in that electric vehicle also, some of the problems, some of the defects comes, and we become stand still at that particular moment. If we will be knowing something little bit, then certainly we will be in a position to rectify all those small defects. And those small defects I am going to describe you all, so it will be giving you a very good exposure on your two-wheeler, and you will come to know about your two-wheeler in a very well manner. Okay, so this workshop on two-wheeler servicing, which are the topics I am going to cover? Yes, I am going to cover the topics like basic parts of the two-wheeler, components and accessories of a two-wheeler. What I mean by parts, components and accessories, that I will be telling you in the workshop. Okay, technical principle of working of a two-wheeler. See, more detail we are not going. I am not going to make you an engineer on that particular day. Some persons, if they are interested more, some engineers also, engineering students also will be coming. For them, I can conduct the workshop on some another day if they need the technical things. Okay, more. But yes, of course, for everyone, whether the student is belonging to arts and science, or the student is belonging to commerce, or the student is belonging to law, for everyone now everybody is utilizing vehicle two-wheeler, compulsorily it is there. Okay, so that two-wheeler everybody has to know of themselves. If they are knowing, sudden breakdowns and other things they can avoid, right? So this technical principle, simple technical principle in a very common language, I will be informing you all. I will also be showing you and giving you hands-on experience on basic tools, very small tools which you can keep in your two-wheeler itself, where the space, even that basic tools are being provided by the manufacturer. Yes, OEM, original equipment manufacturer, means the company itself, they are providing basic tools like a spark plug. If it is there, a spark plug removal tool will be provided, and one screwdriver will be provided, one small 10 and 11 spanner will be provided. So what for those are provided? Those are provided only for utilizing it by ourselves. For each and everything we should not be depending on technician. Technician are meant, yes of course, certainly the job of a technician is not going to be snatched by you, but yes of course, if somewhere you got stuck up in between where technician availability is not there, at that time if you are knowing something, at least you will be in a position to sort out or rectify the small defects, and you can come out from that particular you can say harassing situation. I can say, if somewhere in between on the road if you are stuck up, at least you can come back to a particular place where more number of checks can be done, yes, by utilizing some more tools, right? Okay, so the basic tools which will be required to do minimum maintenance, that I will be telling you. Types of defects, what type of problems generally we face in two-wheelers. Some starting problem used to be there, okay, and whether tire pressure is less, what to do, which type of tool can be utilized, right? There are so many defects are there, small defects. In this video I am not going to describe each and everything. I am giving you just a hint which we will be having on workshop. So motorcycle, scooty and even electric vehicle scooter too, I will be giving an exposure to all of you. How to rectify the common troubles by ourselves without calling for a trained technician. Generally what we are doing, we are calling immediately a trained technician. The trained technician also takes time to come. I am not telling that you don't call the technician. You can call the technician, it is on you, your desire. But many times they also are stuck up somewhere else, and if we know that little bit something about that problem and all, and if we can rectify ourselves, then what's the harm? There is no harm in that. So what will be the takeaways for all of you? It is converting you as a skilled technical personnel. Of course, you will be converted as a skilled technical personnel. You will be knowing about your own vehicle. And as I said that this workshop is also for the dropouts. Those school dropouts students who are not doing anything, for them it will be giving an entrepreneurship skill. Entrepreneurship skill, it is meant that they can open their own small garage where two-wheeler servicing they can do. Yes, of course, the demand is also there for four-wheeler servicing, small defects and all. That also I will be covering, but not in this workshop. It will be covered in next workshop. Okay, so it will be giving you an entrepreneurship skill in your hand. It will be saving your considerable time in case of sudden breakdowns. Yes, gentlemen, morning you want to go to some of your important commitments, and you will find that your vehicle is not getting started. You will be stuck up there. Instead, you can immediately spend some 5-10 minutes and you can find out that what is the defect. If it is within your reach, you can convert it as you can say serviceable one, and then you can start your movement. So during your emergency movement, if any kind of sudden breakdowns have taken place, that can very well be corrected. Okay? What extra benefit you are going to get? You will become confident. Yes, of course, you are going to become confident, and it will be increasing your confidence. See, some of the skills which we are having in our hand, it is transferable. Once you become confident, certainly the same skill you will be transferring it to your own brothers and sisters. And the very most important, yes, the very most important part is it will be making you an independent person. It will not be making you a person with fear. Yes, of course, many of us when we travel anywhere, we used to be in fear that if any kind of breakdown takes place in between, where no trained technicians are there, no workshop is there, no garage is there, what we will do? Certainly, it used to create a panic situation. It is creating a fearful situation for all of us. I want you all to become a confident person, right? So, for that, I am conducting this one-day workshop. It will be on, please block your calendar for 1st September 2024, and that day I am going to make it memorable for all of you. Right? I will be covering the topics on motorcycle. Yes, motorcycle, it is petrol driven, right? Then I will be covering electric vehicle too, some of the small defects and all. Then scooty, yes, scooty is also petrol driven, because most of the girls are utilizing a scooty, most of the boys are utilizing motorcycle. And I will also tell about some basic common purpose tools which you can carry in your own vehicle. Gentlemen. Okay? So, let us wait for 1st September 2024 for exploring each and everything. Yes, for exploring each and everything on two-wheeler. And we welcome you all once again. A very happy Gokulashtami, Janmashtami, Krishna Jayanti to all of you. Okay? So, waiting to see you all on 1st September 2024 for the workshop. Thank you very much.